Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to write an expression in derived column transformation to handle null values in SSIS. So first I will show my source document. So this is my department DEPT text document, so which contains three columns: department underscore ID, DEPT underscore name, and DEPT underscore manager. So if you see the data here, the department manager, we have seen some null values. So I want to replace these null values with no manager. Instead of giving them null, I'm just making no manager. So how to do it in a SSIS package? Now I will show. First time go to package, drag the data flow task. And since your document is text document, take the flat file source, double click, go to new, so browse the location, take DEPT text, go to columns. So here you see, so these two are null values. I want to make it as a no manager. Last two departments there is no manager. I want to make it as a no manager instead of showing the null. Okay, and click OK. Now I am taking the transformation called derived column. So here I am selecting the column DEPT manager. So here I am using the string function called replace. So replace take three arguments. First one is expression. So here I am taking the expression as department manager, DEPT underscore manager, where we have null values. So I am taking this manager, this is the expression, and second one is, so I need to search for the string, a substring in the department manager. So what is I want to search here is, I am searching here is null. I am searching here null values. So what is the replacement string here? Replacement string I am taking here as no manager. So whenever there is a null in the department manager column, it is replaced with no manager. This is how you need to write an expression. Replace string function. So expression, this is searching for null values in the department manager and replace with no manager if there are any null values. And click OK. We need to load into the destination table. So I'm taking the OLDB destination. So this is my department table. So I want to load into this table where we have same columns. So I'm selecting the table here. Table name is DEPT. Go to mappings and click OK. Now all set. Run the package. So whatever there in the text document, null values in the department manager column, these null values replaced with no manager during the package. Yeah, package ran successfully, and go and check your table. See here, this is the original data, input data in the source document. So DEPT name, department manager. Now where it comes to table, instead of having the null values, finance department and admin department, null instead of manager name. So I will make it as a no manager. So this is how you need to write an expression using this replace function in the derived column. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.